Hi, and welcome to Warehouse Sales. At the moment we're looking at the Dyson DC24 HEPA vacuum cleaner. This is a perfect size vacuum cleaner if you live in a villa or an apartment, so it's got a medium sized bin for you. Also comes with the flat out head, so that's perfect for getting under low furniture, and the standard head on it is actually motorised as well. As usual, it's very easy to empty with most Dysons. It's got the one button push release and then push it down further and out comes the garbage. For any more information, head to warehousesales.com.au.